Is your Ninja Luxe Premier showing an add beans error even though the hopper is full? This issue is often caused by a closed hopper gate, a jammed grinder, or sensor blockage. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check the hopper gate. Make sure the hopper gate is fully open. If it's closed, no beans can reach the grinder, which triggers the error. Step 2. Inspect for bean jams. Turn off and unplug the machine. Remove the hopper and check for stuck beans or clogs. Clear any obstructions to allow smooth bean flow. Step 3. Clean the grinder chute. Use a small brush or vacuum to clean out the grinder chute. Leftover grounds can block sensors and trigger a false error. Step 4. Reset the machine. After cleaning, reassemble the hopper and ensure it clicks into place. Plug the machine back in and turn it on to check if the error is gone. Step 5. Still not working? The issue might be with the sensor itself. You can find the official owner's guide and Ninja support link in the description below if you need help or want to check next steps. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.